Hello everybody, how are you all? So dear all, in today's class we are going to start with a new topic, that is types of noun, or we can also call it as kinds of noun. So as you all know, in the previous class I have taught you about parts of speech. और parts of speech में हमने सारे 8 parts of speech देखे थे, जिसमें से noun और उसके types आज हम करने जा रहे हैं. Okay? Now I told you a definition about noun. मैंने क्या बोला था? Noun is a naming word. It can be a name of person, place, animal, thing, quality, emotion, etc. इस चीज को और बेहतर समझने के लिए मैंने उसमें एक छोटी सी लाइन ऐड करी है, that is noun is all that you can think, you can feel, you can see. Anything जो आप feel कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं या सोच सकते हैं is noun. Okay? For example, if I say air, you can feel air, so it's a noun. You can see me, so I as a person, I am a noun. Okay, so let us see all the 5 kinds of noun one by one. So these are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. Now all these 5 kinds of noun have been categorized into 2 types, that is the countable nouns and uncountable nouns. तो ये समझने के पहले हम देखते हैं कि countable noun क्या होता है और uncountable noun क्या होता है. The nouns which can be counted are called as countable nouns. वो nouns जिनको हम count कर सकते हैं उन्हें हम countable nouns कहते हैं. Example, if I have these marbles in my hands and if I ask you to count, you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this is what we call as countable nouns because these can be counted. And the nouns which cannot be counted are called as uncountable nouns, जिनको हम count नहीं कर सकते. Example, if I ask you to count the water in this bottle, will you say 1 पानी, 2 पानी, 3 पानी, 4 पानी? नहीं ना. You will say milliliter of water, a liter of water. तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं? You are using a unit to give what amount of water is present in it. So anything which is uncountable, we use units to count it or to quantify it. Okay? So apart from water, I can say any liquid can be uncountable now. Okay? Oil is uncountable, milk is uncountable, etc. So proper noun, common noun and collective noun can be counted, and that is why these 3 can come under the category of countable noun. Okay? And abstract noun and material nouns cannot be counted, and that's why they fall under the category of uncountable noun. So let us start with proper noun. What do we mean by proper noun? So it's a name of a particular person, place, animal, thing, etc. किसी भी चीज का एक पर्टिकुलर नाम होना, उसे हम कहते हैं प्रॉपर नाउन. एग्जाम्पल के लिए मैंने बोला टॉम क्रूज इज माई फेवरेट एक्टर. व्हेन आई से टॉम क्रूज, सो आई एम गिविंग यू स्पेसिफिक नेम, टॉम क्रूज. सो दैट इज माई प्रॉपर नाउन. ओके, हियर आई हैव रिटन दिल्ली. It's a city. Delhi is the capital of India. So Delhi is a specific name of a particular city. So Delhi is proper noun. And when I said India, it's a name of a country. It's a specific name of a country. So India is also a proper noun. Similarly, Hamlet. Helmet nahi hai, Hamlet. Hamlet is a play written by Shakespeare. So Hamlet is a proper noun. Shakespeare is a proper noun. Pacific is a proper noun. It's the name of an ocean. Mount Everest is the name of a mountain, so it's a proper noun. Okay, so I hope you understood what do we mean by proper noun. Now let's move on to common noun. So common noun is nothing but a common name given to any class. ठीक है, और any category, किसी भी category को एक common सा नाम दे देना, उससे हम बोलते हैं common noun. Example, see I give you 4 names. Okay, Rahul, Ricky, Rohit and John. ये चारों क्या हुए? ये किनके नाम हो सकते हैं? जनरली बॉयज के. सो बॉयज इज अ कॉमन नाउन. व्हेन आई से ट्रीज, इट कैन बी एनी ट्री. किसी भी ट्री के लिए मैंने कॉमन नाउन दे दिया है, कॉमन नेम दे दिया है, ट्रीज. फ्लावर्स, व्हेन आई से फ्लावर्स, इट कैन बी एनी फ्लावर. व्हेन आई से कंट्री, इट कैन बी एनी कंट्री. व्हेन आई से सिटी, इट कैन बी एनी सिटी. सो सिटी, ओशन, बॉयज, गर्ल्स, माउंटेन्स, ये सारे कॉमन नाउन हैं, ये सारे कॉमन नाम हैं. ओके, so now next move on to collective noun. Collective noun is my favorite. It's a name given to group or collection. उनको हम बोलते हैं collective noun. Example के लिए, if I have to tell about group of mountains, so I will say a range of mountains. Group of mountains का क्या नाम है? Range of mountains. A group of ship is called as flock of ship. Group of cars or fleet. Group of cars or ships is called as fleet of cars or fleet of ships. Then group of singers is called as choir of singers. Group of musicians, उनके लिए नाम दिया जाता है band of musicians. Group of island को बोला जाता है archipelago of island. Similarly, if I say group of girls, क्या होगा? It's bevy of girls. Baby नहीं है, baby. B-E-V-Y. Bevy of girls. Group of boys, rascal of boys. Now girls, don't tease the boys around you calling them rascals. Okay, so group of boys is called as rascal of boys. Clear? Now let's move on to abstract noun. पहले शब्द को समझो. Abstract मतलब होता है something that you cannot see, you can only feel it. So abstract noun is nothing but name of quality, emotion or state. ये state मतलब राजधानी नहीं, ये state मतलब अवस्था, state of being. Okay? So name of quality is an abstract noun. Name of emotion is an abstract noun. Example, bravery, it's a name of quality. Honesty, it's a name of quality. Kindness, it's a name of quality. Wisdom, it's a name of quality. Intelligence, it's a name of quality. Beauty is a quality. Okay? Talking about emotion, hatred, it's a name of an emotion. आप उसको देख नहीं सकते, आप उसे feel कर सकते हैं. Love, it's a name of an emotion. Sadness, it's a name of an emotion. Similarly, talking about state of being, death एक अवस्था होती है. Okay, so it is an abstract noun. Similarly, slavery, youth, brotherhood, motherhood, childhood, neighborhood, ये सारे state of being हैं. So these are all abstract noun. Now let's move on to the last category, that is material noun. It's a name of material. Name of material is called as material noun. So first of all, understand what do you mean by material. Suppose if I have to build a house, और एक घर बनाने के लिए मुझे किन किन मटेरियल्स की आवश्यकता होती है? Cement, iron, sand, these are all materials. So cement, iron, sand, ये सारे क्या हुए मेरे materials? Material noun. If I have to make jewelry, I need metals like gold, copper, silver. These are all material. So it's material noun. If I have to weave a fabric, so a fabric's name is a material. Cotton, it's a material. Jute is a material. These are all material noun. So I hope you understood all the 5 kinds of noun that I have described here. Apart from it, in the next video, I'm going to tell you more about pronouns. So be ready to watch my next video. Thank you so much and have a nice day.